Hello, this is a re-recording of my soapbox speech from summer school 2014 and topic was promoting participation. When I started to work in school as philosophy teacher before many years, I won't tell you how many years. First, I was very frustrated because the students were not so interested in my subject, and another frustration was a very bad textbook proposed for students and teachers in secondary school. And during the year, a few textbooks was published from different publishers, and I found mistakes and problems, especially methodological and didactical problem in these books. But I still waited to find a good book for philosophy teaching, and I was waiting to someone write and publish a good textbook. And I waited and waited, and after many years, it comes to my mind that nobody will do anything. So then I made the idea that I have to do something, and I start to make my own textbook for subject philosophy. Very soon I get a contact with the publisher Klett, and we meet our interests. So now I'm happy to show you a result. Okay, it's a textbook for philosophy. It is allowed by Ministry of Education in Serbia, and this textbook was based on pedagogical constructivism, students' attitudes, ideas, thinking before they started to learn philosophy, because I know they thought about ontological, metaphysical, epistemological, ethical, and other problems before they started to learn philosophy in school. You can see here I made also another book, but it is a collection of original philosophical texts, because the best way to meet philosophy is to read original philosophers. To know the reality, to find reality, to explore reality means to create reality. So that's how I understand my job as a teacher. Teaching students, teach them about reality means construct reality together with them.